First, I'll write a function that will reverse a given number. You can find my video on that topic here. This function will return the reverse of the given number. For example, 123 is given as input, and it returns 321 as output. Now I'll create a variable called value to store the input entered from the user. The value is read as string, and I'm using int function to change it to a number that is integer. Now I'll reverse the input received and store in a new variable. For reversing the number, I am using the function that I created first. Next, I'm going to square the value of the input value. I'm using this operator to square. You can use different ones also. Okay, now I'll square the value of the reversed number. Okay, now the variable names gets complicated here. This name means that the squared of the reversed value is reversed again. Next, I'll create a if condition to check if the reverse of the square of the reversed value is same as the square of the value entered. And if it is true, then I'll print that the value entered is an Adam number. If not, then I'll print it is not an Adam number. I'll enter the number 12, which is actually an Adam number. Here you see it says the same. Let me try with a different number this time, which is also an Adam number, that is 11. I'll try again, but this time it is not an Adam number. For better understanding, I'll add some print statements here and there that will help you to follow the code. This time I'll enter an Adam number, but this time it would be a mess. Here is the value that we entered, that is 12. And here is the reversed value of it. This is the squared value of 12 that we entered. Here is the squared value of the reversed number 21, and it is 441. This value 144 is the reverse of 441 that we got in the previous step. As the 12 squared value 144 is equal to the reversed value 144. So it is an Adam number. Here are a few more examples.